I've been working on this project for a wee while now, but I've finally finished it. So what we have here is a memento blanket using old recycled t-shirts from the kids' wardrobe, and we've made it into a reusable TV blanket. So let's get started with this project. So let's get to the materials that you'll need for this project. You're going to need a supply of t-shirts to recycle. You will need some fabric to back your project with. You'll need a ruler, a tape measure and your scissors, and of course your sewing machine which has been threaded. You will also need a square pattern piece. This particular pattern piece has just been made from an A4 sheet of paper folded into a square shape and measures 21 centimeters square. So what I've done here is I've joined the fronts of the t-shirts together, and if we just lift this over, you can see that each t-shirt piece is two. So I've used the front and the back, and we've just patched the pieces together. So what we're going to do now is cut the fringe, and I just need to even this up and cut this piece off here, and we'll take the corner pieces out. So we're just going to take 10 centimeters out, so it leaves us a piece in each corner like so, and we will cut the fringe. So I've taken out the first corner, which is 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters, and just started to double knot the layers. So we're dealing with 3 layers here, and we'll do this all the way across. But you can see I've used the square piece that I've already cut out from the other corner as a pattern. So we'll just cut out around here, and we'll continue to make our fringe by just cutting through here like so. And I'll use my ruler here as a guide and go all the way around. So there we have it, all finished, our recycled t-shirt TV blanket. So there is just one thing I will do differently next time, and that is sew an additional piece or panel of fabric around the edge of the blanket and cut the fringe into that rather than cutting into the squares themselves.